Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for today, for this video actually, because I'm planning to film two more videos today. For this video I have the Glossy Box for March. So this is a subscription box that comes monthly. It's $21 per month. As usually, I will leave the link down below if you wanna subscribe to them. I have Glossy Box for a while. I like it. The customer service is not quite the best one, but I like the box, I like the products. Sometimes they are better, sometimes not so. But so far this is one of the subscriptions that I'm gonna keep. So let's go ahead and see what's in this month for March. And as usual, first is the card in here. And this month theme is True Beauty is probably down in the box, and we have here all the products with all the prices, the full size for the full size product. So let's see what's in this month box. So far this is the box for this month. And what I see here, it's a full-size product, and this one is from Unani. It's Illuminate Milk Cleanser, a full size, which is not bad. And this one is, I don't know, because this one is not listed on the card, but I see here at the end of the card, it's they have all the products here, and then is a big plus with a glossy fave. So everybody products will vary. Found an extra product in your box this month. Enjoy a little gift from us and try one of our glossy faves. So actually what they did, they put an extra product this month. We usually get 5 products, as I see here, and this is a bonus. Not bad. It's a full-size item, and if I'm right, at least I got in my box one of these in December, probably by the end of the year, the 2017 or something like that. So it's not bad. I like to get bonus products, so this, especially the size of this, is great. So let's see what else we have here. We have this guy, and this one is from Figs and Rouge, and this is Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD and Matte Veil. A full size of this is $35, and the full size is 1 ounce. And yes, this one is the full size product, so just this item covers the whole box, which is not bad at all. It's a primer. I like to try primers. We'll see how this one is. So far in the box we have two full-size products, which is not bad at all. Then we have this guy, and this one is from Form Beauty, and this is Multitask 3-in-1 Leave-In Lotion. The full size of this is $32, and the full size is 12 ounces. Definitely this is not the full size. Actually in here we have 1.7 ounces. So far this is a leave-in conditioner for your hair, or leave-in lotion, same thing probably. Then the next item, it's a nail polish from Morgan Taylor, is this one. And if I remember right, probably in the same box when I got the cleanser, I got another nail polish from Morgan Taylor, and was kind of this color. This time I got this one. It's a pretty color, and this one is called my kind of I'm trying to see, ball gown. So whatever is this one, it's a full size also. Then what else we have from Cover FX is this guy, and this one is Perfect Pencil Concealer, and this one is $20. I'm not quite a fan of pencil concealers, but we'll see how this one works. Here is the pencil, and here is the color of this. and this one is in the shade, light. So yeah, another product in here. And the last one in the box is this one. I believe this one is an eye product, an eyeshadow crayon, and this is from De Bruyere, anyway, Beauty, something like that. It's jumbo eye pencil, and the shade of this is Bubble 07, and a full size of this, which I believe this one is a full size, it's $18. So let's see how this guy looks. Oh, finally. Anyway, here is the color of this guy. It's really creamy, which I like. And here is the shade. Really creamy. I don't know how much you can get from this one because it doesn't seems to, and also just from the swatch, half of this is gone. And it doesn't look like you can sharpen this, or because this is plastic. So that's all the product I believe you get in this one. It doesn't, anyway, that's all. So this was the last product in here, and it's a jumbo eye pencil. It says jumbo, but I don't see how you can get more product from this. I don't know, because it's plastic and I don't think you can, but anyway, we'll see. So far in the Glossy Box for this month, we have this eyeshadow, we have the concealer from Cover FX, we have the nail polish, we have the primer, which I'm excited about. I want to try this one. Then we have the leave-in lotion for hair, and we have the full-size milk cleanser. So I think it's a good box for this month. We got this full-size bonus, which is not bad at all. By the way, let me look at the expiration date. And the expiration date of this is July 2019. It seems like I have a problem with the dates because I got so many problems with it. And also this one looks like a cream. We'll see how this one works. So yeah, as I said, so far I like this month box. This is one of the subscriptions that I'm gonna keep because it has makeup and skincare also. So yeah, I like the box this month. Let me know if you got the box. What do you have in your box? What bonus product you have? If you use those products before and how they work for you. And yeah, that's kind of all for the Glossy Box. I'll see you pretty soon with another unboxing. The next video is gonna be a Target box, the Target for March, and also with another video that is gonna be a mini haul from one of my, if not my favorite website to buy skincare and makeup, which is called Beauty. So far this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you pretty soon with another unboxing, and also I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. So yeah, I'll see you very soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.